still warm from the cow, is rushed off in a refrigerated truck like a precious cargo. Temperature control is critical here. We don't want that milk spoiling before it even gets started. This is about respect. Respect for the ingredients, you hear me? One mistake, 1 degree too warm, and the whole batch is ruined. We're professionals here. We don't tolerate sloppiness. Now we're at the processing plant, and it's time to separate the men from the boys, or rather, the cream from the milk. Skimming, it's an art, you know. You need precision, you need the right equipment, and you need a steady hand. We're skimming off that luscious, fatty cream, the heart and soul of our butter. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now listen up, because this part is crucial. We've got our beautiful cream, but we can't risk any nasty surprises, can we? Pasteurization, that's our secret weapon against any unwanted bacteria. We're talking a quick blast of heat to kill off any nasties, ensuring our butter is safe and delicious. It's about standards, you see. We don't compromise, not on taste, not on safety. Right, so we've pasteurized our cream, but we're not done yet. Patience, you muppet! Good things come to those who wait, and that includes butter. We're letting our cream mature, develop its flavor, its texture. It's like aging a fine wine. You need to let it rest, let it breathe. This is where the character develops, the depth of flavor. Here we go, the moment you've all been waiting for, the churning. This is where the transformation happens, where that silky smooth cream becomes glorious butter. We're talking rhythmic churning, agitating those fat molecules until they bind together, separating from the buttermilk. It's a delicate dance, you see. Too much churning and you'll end up with something tough and unpleasant. We need finesse, we need expertise. Now we've got our butter, but it's a bit rough around the edges, isn't it? Blending, that's the final touch, the polish on a masterpiece. We're talking about creating a consistent texture, a velvety smoothness that melts in your mouth. This is about attention to detail, making sure every single batch is absolutely perfect, no excuses. Finally, after all that hard work, our butter is ready for its close-up. We're talking packaging it up, protecting its flavor, its freshness, until it reaches your kitchen. This is it, the culmination of all our efforts, a testament to the art of butter making. Go on, grab yourself a tub, you've earned it. And there you have it, the incredible journey of butter from farm to table, along with its numerous health benefits. Whether it's for bone health, weight management, or boosting your immune system, butter is more than just a delicious spread. Remember, good food, real food, it's about passion, it's about respect for the ingredients, and it's about damn good flavor. Now go on, get out there and cook something delicious.